The Court of Appeal, Abuja, has adjourned indefinitely to deliver judgment in a total of 9 appeals brought before it by both the Turaki-led group of the People's Democratic Party, the PDP, and the Wike-led group over the judgments of the trial court stopping the November the 15th and 16th National Convention of the party held in Ibadan, the Oyo State capital. The 3-member panel of justices adjourned for judgment in the 9 appeals to a date that would be communicated to the parties after adoption of all written processes filed in the matter. While adopting the appellant's brief of arguments, counsel to the Turaki-led group, Chris Uche, told the court that the appeal is against the October 31st, 2025 judgment delivered by Justice James Omotosho of the Federal High Court, Abuja. According to him, the said judgment was delivered out of jurisdiction by the court and urged the appellate court to dismiss what he called a misconceived preliminary objection by the respondents and to allow the appeal. The counsel to the first to third respondents, Joseph Daudu, urged the court to grant the preliminary objections and dismiss the appeal. Other respondents also prayed the court to dismiss the appeal for lacking in merit and for being an academic exercise.
We believe in the rule of law. We believe that our complaints that courts have no business in meddling into political party affairs will be settled once and for all by the Court of Appeal in line with the position that had been taken by the Supreme Court and then maintained and repeated over and over again in several landmark decisions of that court. And at the end of the day, it is democracy that will be the better for it. But let me also add that Nigeria has grown so much and so well that nobody can force one-party system on us.
National Chair, sir, what are your firm expectations from today's proceeding?
My firm expectation from the way the matters have been argued in line with our argument, even in the lower courts, is that justice will be done.
What is important is that PDP must be together. Our job on this side, those of us who have been here, our interest is to rebuild our party, to make sure our party is united. It's not about grandstanding. If the judgment comes in our favor, we've won nobody. PDP has won. The PDP faithfuls have also won. So we believe and ask God to make sure that this peace that is coming to PDP now will be sustained. Amen. And I pray that those of us who have been moving like pendulum swinging left and right should try and come back. Let us build our party together. I always preach peace, unity of the party. Nobody owns the party. It's a quality property of our members.